The light in here is like atrocious. Hold on. Ow. Caitlin just texted me, don't forget your contract. Thank you, Queen. Okay, this is my vlog for the week. I decided instead of doing text intros like I used to, I'll just do in-person intros. Today is Saturday. We have rehearsal from 6 to 10 today. I might sneak vlog, break the rules, don't tell Doug. Also, I tried to upload our Winter Guard show from last year, but it got copyright claimed from Adele. Well, not Adele herself, but like the people who run Adele. So Adele, if you see this, we're gonna fight.
Hey. Oh. Got one. Go. Oh. Go.
What's in my fucking hand? I have my contract. Yeah. Oh my god.
Boom, ba, ba, ba. Wait, so renegade, renegade. Boom, ba, ba, ba. Boom, ha, ha. Boom, 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 boom. Vlog day 6. Serenity vlogging this? No, it's Julia. 9/11 did not happen. Julia, if you don't post this video of me right now, I'll lick your hair.
That was so scary. You did this, you were like this, and then you went, ew, that's not good. I just got the dirtiest look from Douglas.
And then I did a punch on top of the fence.
POV, I'm drinking water.
Hey guys, Julia's making a TikTok.
Wait. Go. Go. Got one. Go. Go. Oh. Yeah. Go. Go.
Wait, Shelby's right there. Okay, we hate Julia. Unsubscribe.
Somebody lied to her several times and told her that she was fly, hot, and sexy and beautiful, and she's nothing like that.
She is nothing of the sort. Let me see.
Deep fresh.
Really?
Wait, I can't follow my TikTok.
Yes, you can.
This TikTok's anal beast. I didn't do very well explaining this like in the vlog, which is why I'm explaining it now. Me, Caitlin, Serenity, Tate, and Shelby went to a dance clinic with the Pride of Cincinnati Dance Ensemble. We learned a section of one of their pieces. We learned it in like an hour. So this is our journey through trying to be able to do that. The rest of them could do it fine. It was my journey trying to do that.
Is the vlog going on?
Yes, it's 9:10 a.m. No. Okay. Help.
Wait. Let me drop the books.
Hi vlog. We did a.
I might leave my socks in my.
Stop! Touch my toes. No. They told me to take the intermediate advanced class, but I'm really scared because I'm not intermediate or advanced. I feel like we should go back to the other room. We're dancing. I think I need to go into the other room.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. We're literally doing technique.
Fine.
I know. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Update, I cried in the bathroom because
Take a shit.
it was too hard and I cried in the bathroom. I hate my life.
You have just watched me mess up.